Good morning, all. In the previous classes, we were learning about customer relationship management, and we learned the basics of customer relationship management in the previous sessions. Today, we are going to see a term, the most important thing, which changed the basic ideologies of an organization. That is SFA. Now, what is SFA? SFA is nothing but Salesforce Automation. As the name suggests, Salesforce automation is something which brought about drastic change in an organization, which helped an organization to reduce the number of employees or workers in that organization. This Salesforce automation can be considered as a positive thing, and in a way, it's a negative thing for the workers in an organization, as many job positions will be lost in this Salesforce automation. So, what is Salesforce automation? It is nothing but the technique of using computers or softwares to automate certain business tasks, including collecting orders, order processing, the management of customer contacts, sharing of information regarding customers, the inventory management, tracking of orders, Salesforce analysis, effectiveness analysis, performance analysis of employees. So all the tasks, all the activities which is related with Salesforce or which is related with sale which is happening in an organization can be analyzed by a computer or a software. A work which is done by many people, a work which is done by maybe 10 or 20 employees can be done with the help of a single software. That technology is called as Salesforce automation. So it can be explained as automating the sales task which is happening in an organization. Now the next thing we are going to see is what is the purpose of Salesforce automation in an organization. The purpose of Salesforce automation is something which is evident to all. The first and foremost purpose is to increase the revenue of the organization. That is, we have seen in many organizations that the money or the profit which the organization get from sales, the most of the portion of that profit will be utilized to give away the salary or remuneration to its employees. So which is a very high expense from the side of the organization. So instead of the employees, if a software is being employed in that place, in their place, then the organization need not pay remuneration to that. In a way, the organization can increase its revenue. And also the efficiency can also be increased. A machine will be working more efficient than a human, something which is evident. Second is reduction in cost of sales. Again the same thing. The cost of sale means the expenses which is incurred in making a sale. And most of the expenses which is incurred in making a sale is the expense which is related with the executive who is doing the sale. This can be reduced if a software is into that. Third is customer retention due to company, not product or service. To retain the customers. To retain the customers to the organization and not to a particular product or to a service. Here, the customers will be retained to the company. The customers will be loyal to the organization and not a particular product and not a particular service which is being delivered by that company. Next is Salesforce increasing mobility. To increase the effectiveness of the Salesforce, not the efficiency of the Salesforce. Last is easy available customer information with single view. So anytime, any person in the organization can get the information relating to the customers with a single click if a software is into that. These are the purpose of Salesforce automation.